must be parallel to B. Represent this process at vertices B and C. Okay, so we know. What is our vector? What's the distance?
4.
4 and 2. So for each one, all we do, okay? So we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2, 1, 2. There's our point. We draw a straight line, just like they did. Okay? Over 4, up 2, straight line. Over 4, up 2. The same as our vector. They all have to be the same, okay, and parallel, just like they did. Okay? Once we do that, okay, then we draw the new points, okay, which are known as what? Vocabulary.
Terminal points or endpoints.
Boom. Okay, we draw the new points. We draw our new triangle. Okay, and then notice, so we have just A, and then we have A dash. Okay, make sense? So A dash means it's our new shape after the transformation. And what transformation do we use? What's it called?
Translation.
Translation. Boom. Beautiful. You guys feel like experts? That's all we're doing today. You guys are already on. Okay? So at this point, I'm giving you the choice. Okay? We can use our Khan Academy, which we've used before. Okay? Or you can use the Google Classroom videos that are attached on our Google Classroom. Or you can stay and hang out and we can do it together. Okay? So at this point, log off if you want to do those. All right? Other than that, we're going to move forward. Okay? So when we're talking about the rules for translations on a coordinate plane. Okay? So remember, we always have, it starts out as XY. Okay? It's XY. Right here. And then what happens if we want to go to the right? All we do is do X plus A. We're going to the right. So it's plus. So Aaron, this is just like we talked about with our points on the coordinate plane. Okay, if we're going to the right, okay, it's X plus A, comma Y. If we're going to the left, all right, then that's when that minus sign comes in. Okay, X minus A, comma Y. All right, then if we're going up, okay, that's when the B comes in. All right, so remember, equals A, comma B. All right, and if we want to go down, then we just subtract B. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Here's a question for us. High order thinking right here. What is the slope of the line that contains the vector the AB? What would the slope be in terms of A, comma B? So we just talked about it. What's our slope? What's our slope in general? What would you say? So I said, I want the slope of something. What would you say? No, or 1. Nope. Not numbers. Randy, Morgan, Aaliyah?
Rise over run.
Rise over run. Beautiful. There we go. Okay. So the slope of the line that contains A and B. So if my slope is rise over run, okay, and we know A is my horizontal and B is my vertical, what's my slope going to be? Okay, say that like, can you guys hear Xavier? Say it louder, Xavier.
E over A equals slope.
Okay, so the slope, what's my slope? What's my symbol for slope? What do we say slope is?
M.
M. Halia, good job. Prior knowledge, good. Look at that. So M, so Xavier just said B is our vertical, okay, which means it's our rise. So it's going to be M would be B over A. Okay? So we're going to rise whatever B is, and we're going to run whatever A is. Good. Good connection. Wow. Impressive.